Super excited. Dogecoin to the moon. It just passed 41 cents, almost touching the all new high. And with SafeMoon, of course, also running towards the all-time high, which is super cool. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecasts. My name is Syed, and we are going to talk about Dogecoin and of course listing itself on the Etoro exchange, which is pretty cool because Etoro, as you may remember, right, it is going public, or it has gone public, initial public offering, or in fact direct listing on the Nasdaq. So a huge exchange listing Dogecoin, and just Dogecoin is skyrocketing. That is one of the reasons, but of course we're going to take a look at other reasons why Dogecoin is going way up. Of course, we know the SNL with Elon Musk right behind Dogecoin all the time, every single time, and not letting go, which is exciting for Dogecoin. And of course, thirdly, if you look at the market cap for Dogecoin, you'll be surprised that it is now ranked number five on the coin market cap ranking list. So it is absolutely phenomenal to watch Dogecoin just steadily or exponentially growing, rather. Right now it's at 41 or so cents, but it's now consolidating at this price. So welcome to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. And welcome everybody. Welcome Bashir, welcome Lava, welcome Jimmy, Abu, welcome everybody. Super nice to see you guys here. And of course, we are going to talk about Dogecoin and see really where Dogecoin is heading. I want to do some technical analysis, some prediction. And it seems like it is going to definitely cross 50 cents in the next day or two, or even sooner than we actually think. So we'll take a look at what this is all about, of course, as we move forward with Dogecoin itself. But more importantly, we'll also touch base on, of course, our other crypto that is in our portfolio is the SafeMoon. So we'll talk about that. And then, of course, we'll see how SafeMoon is performing as opposed to the last couple of days when SafeMoon was actually kind of down, but it just exponential growth because of the whale sell the SafeMoon crypto, right, in the last couple of days. But it has rebounded and it's exponentially on the moon again. So we'll take a look at what that is and how that works. We will also talk about, of course, many other breaking news and about Dogecoin and SafeMoon, so you know exactly how we are working towards and where SafeMoon is going and how Dogecoin is also performing. So both of these cryptos, I'm super excited to bring you this and see what's going on with both of these cryptos, but primarily it's the Doge Day or Dogecoin going to the moon with 41 cents. And this is just crazy. Like I always say, guys, crypto is a crazy world, isn't it? So let's see, let's take a look at some of the comments. Hey, welcome. I'm just gonna set up my chat here quickly. Perfect. So the Dogecoin consolidation is right around 40 cents, 41 cents, which is pretty cool. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Invest Desk. If you're new, just subscribe, and of course smash that like button while you're here. That is super appreciated. And of course the bell notification so you get notified. And we're also waiting on the 30K audit on SafeMoon. That should be out anytime today, sometime, or tomorrow, but hopefully today. That'll be super cool. The price for SafeMoon is also skyrocketing. So welcome everybody. Welcome Robert. Welcome Donna. Hey, good morning, Syed. Donna, welcome. Good morning back to you. Awesome. OFW, your follower from Philippines. Hey, what's up, buddy? Nice to see you. Mahmoud says salam. Wassalam. Hey, Mahmoud, what's up, buddy? Kevin, Carl, Mike, Fitsumi, all you guys, Joe, awesome. Nice to have you guys here. Wonderful. So, of course, Dogecoin to the moon, no doubt, and SafeMoon to the moon, no doubt. The way things are moving in the crypto world. And we also know that Ethereum just hit its all-time high and just passed 3,000, and that's pretty cool. So I'm going to talk about several additional breaking news so that you guys are informed and you can make informed decisions. We are going to talk about, of course, Dogecoin and our other crypto in our portfolio, which is SafeMoon. So what you're looking at here is the the Dogecoin chart. It's at 41 cents, and it's trying to consolidate at this price, which is excellent. So the next jump would be 45 or 50 cents. That is going to be making history many times with Dogecoin. It's absolutely phenomenal. So welcome everybody, which is super cool. So if you were able to be with us at InvestDesk for the last couple of months, you know that we cover Dogecoin every single day, and of course SafeMoon for the last 2 to 3 weeks, because we added this to our portfolio. And I'm going to show you some great news insights on Dogecoin, because it just got listed on Etoro exchange. So let's navigate to Etoro, and of course we'll also take a look at how the Binance CEO also trying to address SafeMoon. So all of those news as well I'm going to cover. But right now, if you look at the Etoro exchange, just adds Dogecoin due to client demand. So this is pretty cool. So Etoro, like I said, is also if you recall, if you go back to my streams a couple of weeks ago, I did mention that Etoro is going public, right, in a direct listing on NASDAQ. So it's a crypto exchange, and now it just adds Dogecoin to its own exchange, which is super exciting. So this is, Etoro said that adding Dogecoin to the cryptocurrencies traded on its exchange due to client demand. Etoro has 20 million users around the world, which now will be able to trade the Shiba Inu represented Dogecoin crypto. There you go. So Doge is just opened up to another 20 million users at Etoro exchange, and that's one of the reasons why the price is going up, right, for Dogecoin, just skyrocketing, which makes sense, because if I go to the Etoro exchange, you see right here, you'll notice that the price of Dogecoin at this particular exchange is 39 cents, 39.68. And let me refresh and see if it changes or not. I know I had it open for a while, so we'll see. But this is really super cool for Dogecoin. Boom, there it is. So it's 40 cents, 40.41 cents for Dogecoin trading at the new Etoro exchange. So on this platform, this is pretty cool. So for Dogecoin, which already has about 111,000 or so followers, 4.58% are investors, and 100% of them have buy positions. So it is still a strong buy. We'll also take a look at some of the technicals and see where it stands in terms of its buy for Dogecoin. But it always has been. So yeah, this is super cool. I wanted to bring this breaking news up to you, and of course there are additional news that I also cover. But yeah, welcome to InvestDesk, guys. If you're new, please subscribe, and of course smash that like button. That would be super cool, and the bell notification so you get notified. So welcome all. Hi InvestDesk family. Hello guys. Hey, nice to see you. Always. And we are going to the moon together at InvestDesk, because this is your #1 channel, guys, for crypto research, daily news updates and forecasts, so you guys stay informed. All right, so this is one of the reasons why Doge is skyrocketing, of course, which is super cool. And the other reason, the other factor, that market analysis or market conditions or the technical analysis. So I'm going to navigate to the rankings here, right? Now this is super cool. This is history, guys. If you're watching, if you're here right now, this is your part of Dogecoin's history, because Dogecoin just ranked number 5 crypto on the coin market cap ranking. Yes, in terms of market cap, even $52 billion is the market cap for Dogecoin, which is a meme token, people say, which is a joke, people say. We don't say it here. I don't say. I've never said. I just say what people say, but it's really a people's crypto, guys. People even think it doesn't have a use case. I think you can buy and sell using Dogecoin, and people are doing it, which which is crazy. Yeah, which is cool. So Dogecoin is number 5. Check it out, guys. It's number 5 on the ranking list right here. The number 1 is, of course, Bitcoin. Number 2 is Ethereum. Ethereum is actually also experiencing some serious exponential growth, which is absolutely phenomenal. Just past $32.91, almost $3,300 for Ethereum. And if you recall, a couple of weeks ago, I also bought Ethereum, and I mentioned that to you guys. So I don't know if you guys bought it, ETH or not, but hey, I think that at that time of price was about 1,800, something like that. But anyways, that's pretty cool. So number 1 is Bitcoin. Number 2 is Ethereum. Number 3 is Binance Coin at 674. This is just absolutely crazy. When we actually got into SafeMoon 3 weeks ago, I clearly remember this was at 200 or some odd number, right? So right now it's 674. So number 1 Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, number 3 BNB, number 4 is XRP, and of course number 5 is Dogecoin, which is super cool at 41 cents, guys. Almost a 53.5% gain in the last week, and about 20 or 6% in the last day or so. So it's wonderful, and when we do our weekly portfolio analysis, it'll be super exciting to see where Doge ends up. We still have a few days to go till Saturday, right? Because we run our analysis on Saturday, and that's when we crunch our numbers. So that's really what is happening with Dogecoin, which is super amazing. So let me get some comments here. Hey, what's up? What's going on? All right, Donna says, what an amazing year so far investing in Doge. It's never ever let us down. I'm so grateful to follow your channel, and Doge has changed my life and other people's. My friends are over the moon. Thank you so much, Donna. I'm super humbled by your kind words, and of course my goal, my objective here for this channel is to bring you the latest research into all of these cryptos, of course daily news updates and forecasts. So thank you so much. Appreciate that. Appreciate your insight, and of course thank you all for supporting InvestDesk as your number 1 channel. Appreciate that. So we are looking at Dogecoin, which is right now at a market cap of 52 billion. So hopefully it's going to be, if it goes up to like 50 cents or so, it's going to cross 70 billion market cap. It's going to be the number 4 ranking pretty soon if it just continues to go up. So I just wanted to kind of bring this up to your attention so you know exactly what Dogecoin is all about. It's not a joke. I mean, I don't know why people even still call it a joke. It's a serious cryptocurrency. Even the developers acknowledge that this is a serious cryptocurrency. But since people have their own perceptions, which is pretty cool, which is fine, and we'll give them the benefit of the doubt, whatever you want to call it. But definitely 41 cents, and it is still rising. It is going to go to 50 cents and probably to $1 because that's Dogecoin. That's how it is, right? That's how it is. And with Elon Musk supporting this crypto, day in, day out, he's right behind Dogecoin. He's not leaving this crypto, right? He likes this. And remember, let me tell you guys that I always said, if you check back on all my streams for the last 2 months, a little over 2 months with Dogecoin, because I've been streaming every single day, and that's what I do. Dogecoin is getting ready to get listed on Coinbase, right? So we know that. I've covered this in multiple streams. Go check out my videos. It's getting ready. The developers are working on the Rosetta API for Dogecoin so that it can meet the requirement for Coinbase. Of course, the Coinbase needs to decide whether Coinbase wants to list Dogecoin or not, but at least the full implementation of the application programming interface, or the API, which is the Rosetta API, and that is what Coinbase needs. So once that requirement is met, and the developers are in the process, right? So if you check the GitHub code, you will know. If you look at the dev, and I've covered this, by the way, so I'm not going to show right now, but I've covered this in the previous streams. We know that this is probably last week or so, right? About 7 days or 10 days. So if that goes through, if Dogecoin gets listed on Coinbase, guys, guess what? Elon Musk is going to buy Dogecoin. And that I have been saying for the last 3 weeks, all right? I don't know, but I just said it. I don't know if he's going to buy or not, but I think, in my humble opinion, he is going to jump into Dogecoin just like he did with Bitcoin. He bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on Coinbase, right? On Coinbase. So if Doge is also on Coinbase, I think it'll be much easier for Elon Musk to jump and get into Dogecoin. Not only that, we know that CoinFlip ATM CEO wants his ATM machines, which already have a Dogecoin on their ATM machines, into Tesla stores. So yeah, we've been covering all these things, but of course it takes time for them to materialize, right, as time progresses. But definitely Dogecoin, being an inflationary in design, it's not a deflationary coin, right? So it's not going to reduce in number. So technically and theoretically, it's unlimited supply. Well, I said theoretically, right? But it's not really, but it's theoretically unlimited supply. That's what keeps the price stable and kind of lower as well. But it continues to grow. So absolutely phenomenal with Dogecoin, and I think it's just doing a wonderful job. Number 5, which is pretty cool, $52 billion market cap, is bigger than most of these enterprise companies in the globe, right? And I think I covered that yesterday. And Elon Musk, of course, is still going to be supporting Dogecoin. He still is. Even Mark Cuban, right? All these other guys are also supporting Dogecoin. So that's one of the things I want to show you at CoinMarketCap, the ranking, which is super, super exciting, because this is, again, it is history. And with Elon Musk coming on the Saturday Night Live, right, that's also is a big push with Dogecoin. So Doge right now is at 41.25, and check this consolidation, guys. This is not bad. This is pretty cool, right? This is where it is at 41 cents, and of course if it breaks out, which it seems like it is going to jump to 45, which was probably the all-time high for Dogecoin ever. And then once that crosses 45, it's 50 cents. So I'll be surprised if it doesn't, hit 50 this week or next couple of days or even today. It's just crazy. It is just absolutely crazy. So welcome back to Invest Desk, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, subscribe and smash that like button while you're here. This is super, super appreciated while you do this, because Dogecoin is definitely going to the moon, and it's on Etoro exchange, which is also has about 30 million users, right? So that's a big push for Dogecoin also. All right, so this is Dogecoin. The other thing I want to talk about, so I've talked about 2 things, right, for Dogecoin, 2 news or 2 breaking factors or supporting factors for Dogecoin getting to the moon. The third thing I want to talk about, of course, is the Mark Cuban touts that Dogecoin on Ellen's show, says Doge is better than a lottery ticket. So let's take a listen to what they're talking about and what is going on, and then I'll, of course, take a look at it. So just a minute or so I'm going to play, and then I'm going to pause this video at CoinDesk.
Doge is in the headlines. Mark Cuban was on the Ellen DeGeneres show on Tuesday, and he had a few things to say about the coin. Let's take a look.
Probably 2 years ago, people started talking about the meme online, okay, and started buying it. And probably within the last 6 months, the number of people buying it has just skyrocketed into the millions, and the value has gone up incredibly. And I'll give you an example. My son and I bought some for less than a penny. Jake, who's 11 years old, bought $30 worth, I think it was, for less than a penny. Then it went up to 6 cents. He bought a little bit more. Then it went up to 40 cents, and now it's about 26 cents. So the question everybody wants to know is Dogecoin a good investment? And here's the reason I got Jake into it. It's not necessarily the best investment you can make, but you can buy it on Robinhood, and signing up and trading on Robinhood is free. So that's one thing. The second thing is it's about 26 cents per Dogecoin. So if you would go and spend $5, $10, $15, that's a better bet, better investment than buying a lottery ticket. And you know what? It could go up. And the second part about it is, if it doesn't go up and you want to spend it, you can buy merchandise on the Maverick store, hopefully soon on the Ellen shop. So it's also becoming a digital currency, which is crazy if you think back to its origins. But as overall,
okay.
All right, so yeah, 2 things. First, of course, Dogecoin is sort of like an investment where you can buy at a low price. And then, of course, it's very, very popular, right? And secondly, if you've noticed, it's really there's a use case. It's a currency, guys, right? And that's what we've been talking about. It is the people's crypto, which is exactly where Dogecoin is positioned. It is a stable currency. It's inflationary in design. The transaction time for Dogecoin on the blockchain is less than 1 minute. And I always give this example. You guys probably heard it from me all the time, right? So if you go to Starbucks, get a cup of coffee, you want to be able to pay in Dogecoin instead of Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano, because Bitcoin, for example, has a transaction interval time of, let's say, 10 minutes. So with Dogecoin, it's just less than 1 minute. So much, much better option, right? So with other cryptos coming up, and SafeMoon, by the way, is also in the same line with Dogecoin, right? SafeMoon also is the new currency by the people for the people, and that's exactly what they're positioning themselves also. So definitely utility, definitely use cases. And Doge is, of course, huge, 52 billion market cap, and is already accepted by airlines. I know we covered Latvian Airlines, right? They're already accepting Dogecoin as you can pay and travel. Then Mark Cuban's team, Mavericks, they're already accepting Dogecoin. You can buy tickets, right? So there's many other examples of Dogecoin and the acceptance of Dogecoin, and that's really the key moving forward, right? All right, so let me get some comments. Welcome everybody. Nice to see you guys. Arthur, hey, what's up, buddy? Nice to see you. Yeah, I bet Arthur says, I bet Cuban loaded up on Dogecoin. Why would he be out promoting it? You bet. Well, that's a good analysis. So and makes sense. So thank you for that insight, Arthur Edwards. Appreciate your comment. And Andres says Ethereum skyrocketed. Yeah, I just mentioned that, over $3,200 for Ethereum, for ETH. And of course, there are reasons why ETH is also jumping up. And maybe I'll do another separate stream on ETH, but just quickly, everything is built on ETH. Everything runs on top of Ethereum blockchain, right? Especially all these NFTs, for example, all these non-fungible tokens, right? They are all pretty much running on Ethereum, that's why Ethereum is just getting more stronger and stronger. That makes sense, right? So you want to be able to think about that, and of course, make an informed decision about Ethereum. And analysts are predicting that Ethereum price may go up to 5,000. 6,000 or even 10,000, just like Bitcoin. But hey, that's crypto world. It is a crazy world. But let's get back to Dogecoin. 41.13 cents, which is super way cool for Dogecoin, especially on Monday. Yeah, start of the week. So we have a whole week coming ahead of us. And it's I think it's going to hit 50 cents definitely this week, if not today, tomorrow. But yeah, this is how it's going, the way it's progressing. And there's nice price consolidation, a little bit of pullback, but hey, we're pretty good. So the next breakout, of course, from 41 cents will be to 42, 43. We'll see how it goes, but right now it's steadily just increasing. So if I zoom out, you'll notice it was at 30. When it dropped yesterday or a few days ago, right, it was all the way down to 28 cents. So I don't know if you bought the dip or not, but hey, remember, we always keep our average cost down. So dips are pretty healthy in those respects. So right from there, it is just going almost exponential growth into 41.18. Yeah, about 41 and a half, 42, and hopefully that's going to continue to rise. So Bitcoin or Dogecoin is, of course, correlated to Bitcoin. The correlation factor is 0.6, and I've covered that in the previous streams. If you want to go check that out, that would be so cool. So that's the third thing I wanted to cover today about Dogecoin at 41.3 or 41.21, and of course the next breakout is going to jump it to 45 at an all-time high once again. And yeah, we're making history all day, every day. The crypto world is a crazy world, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, by the way. And of course, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button while you're here. It is super appreciated. So I showed you the Mark Cuban take on Dogecoin. Of course, the Etoro exchange that just listed Dogecoin with over 30 million users or so. I think it's 30 million, right? I hope I'm not I'm saying it right, so I'm going to verify it right here. Where is it? There we go. Oh, 20 million. I'm sorry. Did I say 30? But yeah, eToro's 20 million users around the world will be able to trade the Dogecoin crypto. So that's the eToro. But this is the eToro exchange, which has Dogecoin on it now, trading at 40 cents or 41, which is not bad at all. And this is really, really the key for Doge acceptance, right? It's not just the acceptance, but the adaptation or the growth of Dogecoin. So we're looking at eToro exchange, which is already going public on the NASDAQ, listing itself as a direct listing on NASDAQ exchange. In other words, it is regulated by the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. So Doge is now officially a cryptocurrency that is being regulated. So it's not a joke, guys, right? It's not a joke. Anyways, but people say it, hey, because that's how it started. That's how the hype is still behind the Dogecoin. But we think here at InvestDesk is that Doge is a serious cryptocurrency, and that's how it's going to grow in future. All right, so this is about Dogecoin. So 3 analysis that I covered, and of course let's take a look at the technical analysis of Dogecoin also. There we go. So I'm going to navigate to the trading view here and then click on technicals. So 41 cents, awesome, boom, there's the technical analysis. You'll notice that it is a buy. If you look at the oscillators for a day, the summary is a strong buy, and moving averages are just strong buys because getting itself on eToro exchange, and of course with Elon Musk behind, all these factors definitely play up in the exponential growth of Dogecoin as a cryptocurrency or the currency of the earth. So definitely a huge influx coming in of additional investors, maybe retail or institutional investors. We don't know, but this is how things are moving so fast within the cryptocurrency world. But as far as the technicals go, it's a buy, strong buy, and of course the moving averages, whether it's the EMA or the SMA, they all indicate a strong buy. So there you go. That's something that you need to think about, and of course make your informed decisions accordingly regarding Dogecoin. I know it was 4.5 cents when we got it at InvestDesk, right here on this channel, guys. 2 months ago it was 4 cents, 4.5 cents, and our cost here, average cost was somewhere around there, right? 4.5 to 5 cents, or even lower, somewhere around there. And that's pretty cool. So from 4 cents to 40 cents, it's not bad. It's pretty cool in 2 months, right? So that's really the power of holding also, because there have been many dips, right? Ups and downs, and that's pretty normal. As long as we understand that the project itself, the cryptocurrency, has some use. Why are people investing? Why there is a $52 billion market cap? What's the value, right? Well, value is there. Of course, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. It's just a matter of Dogecoin getting into the mainstream more and more as time progresses and getting itself accepted as a crypto currency, right? And of course, mainstream acceptance. And it has been around since 2013, so it's not a new coin. So it's been there. It has been through all of these, and just in 2021 or this year, right? It has been we've seen the exponential growth for Dogecoin. So this is the technical analysis. Another thing I want to show you here, quick charts. Let me see if I can find them. I have found it very interesting that I want to share with you guys. So Doge potential cup and handle. Now, where is Dogecoin going from here, right? From 40 cents, 41 cents. What is happening with Dogecoin? 2 analyses that I want to mention. This is just the recent one. This is only a couple of hours ago by Moonbet. So I want to open this up first. And according to this, they're looking at a 75 cent, right? Doge 2.75 soon. And that's what they're looking at. So this chart, you'll notice right here at 40 cents, right? So just a couple hours ago, and that's right about here. So what they're showing here, that Doge is holding nice, and they would like to see a little pullback on 0.27 to 0.3 for a healthy uptrend, and then a new high will be the next target at 0.75. well, this is fine, but it may not even have a pullback all the way up to 2.7. I think it's just going to go just straight up to 75 cents or 50, crossing 50 cents. But we'll see. But this is one of the analysis that was done about 2 hours ago, right? All right, the other chart I want to quickly show you also is the potential cup and handle. Wait for the breakout. Now this chart right here is that the price of Doge is approaching the resistance once again, right? So it's like approaches the resistance, the price stabilizes, and then boom, it goes up, right? And it just follows the same pattern. So the price, once it approaches the resistance, is possible for it to pull back one more time to form this cup and handle pattern. Now in technical analysis, we have all these different types. One of them is cup and handle and a pattern, which would eventually break out from the resistance for more upside move. And of course, this is where what you see here at 41 cents, right? So if it breaks 41, dips a little bit, of course, and then boom, it goes up to all the way up to 90, 70 cents or crossing 50 cents. And that's more like what we're actually seeing with Dogecoin right now. Because if I go to the Dogecoin chart, that's exactly what you see, right? So there's the analysis where it's kind of consolidating here, and check this out. Right now it's just at 41.21. Perfect consolidation in terms of the chart analysis, and then from here it is just going to skyrocket. All right, so let me get some comments. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Invest Desk. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button, and of course the bell notification. That would be super cool. And I just got a comment here by Netherlands. SafeMoon has been audited, and yes, all of you guys, I have 30K right here open. So let me see if I refresh it. Let's get into SafeMoon, and boom, we will see the report. And it seems like yeah, I see something here, right? I see the PDF. Awesome. Let me see if I can open this up, see if it allows us to open up the audit report for SafeMoon. There we go. Boom. That's excellent. All right. So this is the security assessment for SafeMoon, which is super cool. Way cool, right? This is awesome. And let's go through the report, shall we? Yeah, while we're here, why not? I wanted to do another stream on SafeMoon, but hey, once we have it. So thank you so much for bringing this to my attention while I was talking about Dogecoin. And yeah, that's SafeMoon has been audited. So SafeMoon also to the moon. SafeMoon is actually getting more exponential growth and rise in SafeMoon. I think everyone was waiting for this security audit report as well for SafeMoon, and we'll see whether this actually pushes SafeMoon to the next all-time high, which is not bad. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's get some comments. So this is super cool. Rise, SafeMoon rise, Kevin says. Yep. All right, so the stranger, SafeMoon just got listed on the US stock market. I don't know, did it? Send me a link. The stranger says SafeMoon just got listed on the US stock market. Yeah, if it does, let us know. Let me know. Of course, we'd like to. I'd like to show you here to all of us. All right, so this is the SafeMoon security assessment. So I'm going to scroll down, and this report. See if I can make it bigger a little bit. So this report has been prepared for SafeMoon smart contracts to discover issues and vulnerabilities in the source code of their smart contract, as well as any contract dependencies that were not part of an officially recognized library. A comprehensive examination has been performed utilizing dynamic analysis, static analysis, and manual review techniques, right? Of course, they pay special attention to the following considerations: testing the smart contract against both common and uncommon attack vectors. They also look at assessing the code base to ensure compliance with current best practices and industry standards, ensuring contract logic meets the specification and intentions of the client, cross-referencing contract structure, and implementing against smart contracts produced by industry leaders. They also take a look at the thorough line by line manual review of the entire code base by industry experts. So which is not bad. It's pretty in depth, right? So let's scroll down instead of me reading each and everything. So here's SafeMoon. SafeMoon contract is a mixture of RFI tokenomics with an added function of an auto liquidity generating protocol. It's on BSC. Here's the URL for the GitHub code. All right, so let's see. Total issues that they have come up with are just 13. There's 0 critical issues. Awesome. This is excellent, guys. This is excellent. 1 major, 1 medium, 4 minor, 7 informational. That's it. That's yeah, these are like no issues, right? But let's scroll down and check it out. See what's going on. So this is about the understanding the overview of SafeMoon, which we already know, right? The tokenomics, 10%, 5% goes back to the existing holders if someone sells, and of course the other 5 is further divided into 2 by half, right? Half goes to the lock and then the burn, right? And then of course the reflection, we know that already. If not, go check out my videos. I've covered this extensively. There we go. Let's take a look at some of the charts. So what are some of the critical findings? Nothing. It's just perfect, right? There's 1 major, which is 7.69%. We'll take a look at what that is. 1 medium findings, right? In terms of an issue, and then 4 minor and 7 informational. I think it's a pretty strong, yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad, but we'll take a look at this. So the minor ones, of course, are incorrect error message. That's no big deal. That's pretty normal, right? But let's take a look at the medium one. So it's contract gains non-withdrawable BNB via the swap and liquidify function. So this is one of the functions that the dev needs to take a look at, and of course fix it, right? Yeah, and that's what they do. And then of course the major, which is partially resolved already, because I'm sure dev team of SafeMoon is just right on top of fixing all of these issues as they come about. This is centralized risk and add liquidity, which is the centralization or the privilege. They want to be able to fix that, and it seems like it's already partially resolved, which is super cool. Same thing with privilege ownership, but these are all minor and informational. So there's nothing, no critical thing happening with SafeMoon, guys. This is with flying colors, which is, in my humble opinion, being a technical person, being an enterprise architect, being a developer, I know this is no big deal. The only major issue is already partially resolved. So boom, not bad at all. Let's scroll down. These are all the details for all of the code, all of the descriptions of what these findings mean and specify regarding each of these that they have found, that Certicate team has found. All right, so I'm going to scroll down and just see what else they provide in terms of their report. So, and let's see, these are all, again, all their findings, right? So developers can take a look at this and Team SafeMoon can fix it. Perfect. Yeah, that's all it is. So this is the appendix, and boom, awesome, guys. So yeah, congratulations, by the way, to all of the SafeMoon holders, because SafeMoon just passed the Certicate audit. This audit is pretty stringent regarding security testing, regarding penetration testing, regarding code testing, and it seems like we are flying. SafeMoon is flying, guys. This is absolutely a very important milestone for SafeMoon, because it helps investors who are willing to jump into this project, at ease, because now they are more secure that, hey, SafeMoon is a real project, guys, right? And I don't see any FUD going around. Where are all these people who said SafeMoon was this, SafeMoon was that? It's not. So this is super exciting that the audit report security assessment is right here. All right, so yeah, once again, congratulations to all of you guys who are at InvestDesk, and of course you have SafeMoon and Dogecoin. Appreciate it. Low Roller, what's up, buddy? Nice to see you. You see Bill Maher attacking Dogecoin. You heard in the news. Yeah, I saw some memes here and there. Yeah, I mean, people still say that. People still say that for Dogecoin. People are still going to continue to say this for SafeMoon, guys. This is how it is. This is how the world works. But we know better, right? Hey, we know better. Of course, InvestDesk is your #1 channel that brings you latest research, update news and forecasts, so we make informed decisions apart from all the FUD going around that people are talking about because they don't do any research. They don't know. We know because I'm sure you checked out the AMA meeting with SafeMoon that I covered yesterday also, so you can go check out that video. And I think this team is doing excellent. They're coming up with a SafeMoon wallet. They're coming up with a SafeMoon exchange. How awesome is that? They're already on 8 different exchanges listing themselves, and the latest exchange that SafeMoon just got listed on is the BRNC, right, out of Middle East in Dubai, which is another yet huge market. So the audit is now complete. Hey, I mean, what? This is crazy. And all of this in just a little over 2 months, guys. So yeah, like crypto says, SafeMoon is now safe with 30K. You bet, absolutely. It's actually good for all of us. And 30K, by the way, is a very reputable organization for doing all these testing, right? Yeah, so you can go check it out on the URL that I have here. So yeah, I'll probably cover in a separate stream, just focusing in depth on security assessment of SafeMoon, what that is and how it impacts. But since we're talking about Dogecoin and Dogecoin going to the moon, and of course SafeMoon also, it just came out as right now, so which is cool. So let's take a look at SafeMoon for our wallet here at SafeMoon. What's the price? Yeah, price is actually rising to 40.00000, still 5 zeros, 40, and we're hoping to get rid of one of these zeros, guys, right, pretty soon. So hopefully with this report that just came out, we will see the rise in our wallets, right? So hey, pretty cool. But this is SafeMoon, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal. So welcome back to InvestDesk. If you're just tuning in, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, guys, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time, and which is really nice. All right, so let's see what's up. Everything in crypto is growing up, guys. If I go to CoinMarketCap, you'll notice this is crazy. Bitcoin 57,000. Ethereum is 3,335. It's non-stop. It seems like a non-stop flight for ETH and for BNB. BNB is at 677, which is crazy. And I think Binance Coin is also going to be huge, guys. So keep in mind, Binance, if you've been following CZ, who's the CEO of Binance, I have been, and I do. I think his vision for the BNB in the next 3 to 4 months, and keep this in mind, this is right here, guys, this is InvestDesk, this is your channel for crypto research. So in the next 3 to 4 months, the way CEO of Binance wants to see Binance Coin is similar to Ethereum, right? So keep that in mind. I'm just going to give you this hint. I'm going to do another stream on BNB detailing out what exactly is going to happen to BNB. But for right now, since you're on right now at InvestDesk, I'm telling you right now that watch out for BNB. Keep that in mind. So do your own research. And yeah, this is going to be huge. So I see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and then boom, Dogecoin at number 4. Hopefully, when it crosses 50 cents, 75 cents, definitely the market cap for Dogecoin is going to be higher than 70 billion. And yeah, that is going to be one crazy number. That's going to be a crazy market cap for Dogecoin if it crosses $70 billion. Right now, even it's crazier. More than 50 billion. That's more market cap than Ford Motor Company or all these enterprise companies, right? It's just crazy. That's Dogecoin. That is the cryptocurrency. And hopefully SafeMoon is not far behind. SafeMoon is just 2 months old. Dogecoin since 2013, right? And SafeMoon just 2 months. And the way SafeMoon team is kind of leading this project and the community is responding for SafeMoon is just absolutely phenomenal. It's just crazy. So thanks for tuning in, guys. InvestDesk is your #1 channel. Make sure you subscribe and yeah, smash that like button, guys, while you're here. That is super, super appreciated. We'll also talk about, of course, as we move forward, in-depth analysis of the SafeMoon audit itself, but we'll take a look at that. I will also check out the MTO token. I know SHKS is also mentioning this several times, so no need to spam, guys. I keep a note on every time you comment. I go through all my comments, and I keep track of whatever you want to cover. So yeah, I've noted this down. Thanks so much, appreciate it. I will check the token out. All right, so let's see. Low Roller says you need to do Dogecoin profit updates now. Yeah, I'll do that on Saturday. Low Roller, thanks so much. I'll bring up the Excel spreadsheet. We'll crunch the numbers and we'll see how much money we made in Dogecoin, just in Dogecoin. I do that every weekend. So, but yeah, thank you for bringing this up. Appreciate that. Jose says, are you adding new crypto to InvestDesk portfolio? Well, we took a look at a couple of new ones, but I'm not sure if I'm going to add them to our portfolio yet. But we talked about Safe Mars, we talked about Safe Star, and we kind of compared with SafeMoon. They're all the same. I mean, that's crazy. I don't even know, that they're just weird because all of their tokenomics are the same. I'm also looking at additional ones, but I've not yet physically added a new asset to InvestDesk. Although I have other portfolio, guys, because of course I need to be transparent. I also day trade. I have other portfolios, stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and of course other cryptos, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, and some others as well. So I have those. But for InvestDesk right here, I started off with Dogecoin and then I added SafeMoon. Both of them, of course, in the last 2 months. Last Saturday we were up $150,000. A week before we were even crossing $200,000 in gains in both of these cryptocurrencies, I should say, right? Dogecoin and SafeMoon. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's really all the updates. So I'm super excited and happy about the 30K security assessment for SafeMoon, which just came out as we are live streaming about Dogecoin. So this is absolutely wonderful to see. Yeah, and if you're just new here, by the way, please subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time we actually talk about Dogecoin Etoro exchange, which is pushing the price up for Dogecoin over 41 cents, whether it's the SafeMoon 30K audit just came out, which is also super exciting. All right, so that's all the updates I have for Monday. Exciting day, and we're gonna keep monitoring the price as soon as something happens. Of course, I'm gonna be live right here back with our watch party, because if the price is exponentially grown, that is super exciting. All right, so I'm gonna go because I have some other work that I need to be doing also as part of being an enterprise architect. Thank you all for the support, and definitely I'll be back either later on tonight or maybe tomorrow if something comes up. I have some exciting additional research that I've also collected. I want to share that with you, but hopefully maybe do it tonight or tomorrow. But thank you all for the support, appreciate it. Dogecoin to the moon, SafeMoon to the moon. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I will see you guys